Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1956 Chevy. It's a 210 Post. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Mike?
Hey, how you doing, Mike?
Good. What a pretty car.
It's 56. It's got a 350 V8 in it, 3-speed automatic.
Turbo 350?
Turbo 350, non-posi.
Does it have a stall or shift kit?
I believe it's got a little bit of a stall converter in it.
Okay.
It's a nice car all around, runs good, drives good. Older restoration on this car.
And this black is just picking every reflection up. It is awesome. So the paint's what, 20 something years old, right?
Yeah.
So it looks good.
Yeah, it looked like they did a quality job on it back in the day.
Nice straight body.
The bodies are nice, the panels are nice and straight.
Very nice. I really like the Post cars as opposed to the hardtops.
Yeah, me too. Much better look to them.
Yeah, I agree.
It's got headers on it.
Interior's nicely done too. Like how it still has the original wheel.
Yeah.
A lot of these guys though buy the shortened up wheels, look pretty cool.
Huge.
It's just so cool. How it was. B&M shifter, you got a full gauge pack here. Beautiful headliner. Nice lofty bench seat. You can fit both your girlfriends there.
Well, they get along.
Let's check out under the hood. There we go. Looks recently rebuilt. MSD Ignition, Little Rock Performer high rise. Poly 600, 650?
350, yeah.
The Carburator. Like
750.
750, okay. K&N air filter, aluminum valve covers, chrome alternator. Nice, honest car. Mike, can you fire it up?
Oh, you got the keys?
That would help, right?
Yeah.
Got a nice mild cam too, this car. Buzzing around the block?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Weeby Autos, feel free to give me a shout. I'm 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information,